Welcome to the Stay Home Artist channel. Today I'm going to show you the cable plait stitch. It's a little bit easier to do this stitch if you have looser fabric. So I'm just coming up on the top of my left line, and my working thread I'm wrapping around over top my needle, and then I'm grabbing that little part that I wrapped over and I'm going to stick it in the fabric. But before I come back up, I'm going to scoop a little piece of the fabric up with me. My needle is woven in the fabric, and I'm going to bring my working thread back down underneath my needle, which will create a loop that I'm going to pull my needle through. So then back to step one, I'm wrapping my working thread around my needle. I'm bringing that little wrap part over to the right side, pushing my needle through, grabbing a scoop of fabric on my way up, then wrapping my working thread back underneath my needle and pulling it through this loop. This stitch can be a little bit challenging, which is why I put it on my advanced stitch sampler. As you can see, I'm obviously still not perfect at this stitch. It's taken me a lot of time just to get this far. It's just one of those that requires a lot of practice and patience, but it is helpful if you have less tension in your fabric. And normally I would show you a stitch on my hoop stand, but this is just a lot easier if you have both hands working with you, so that's why I took the hoop out of the stand. And it's also a little bit easier in a smaller hoop, which is why I have this 3-inch hoop. So to end this stitch, after your last loop, you're just going to come around and secure the loop like this and tie a knot on the back side. And there you go. I love this stitch. I hope you love it too. Have an awesome day.